After more than 6 decades in the sky, the MiG-21 prepares for its final flight. Once the fastest guardian of the Cold War, today it retires into history. Designed by the Soviet Union in 1955, the MiG-21 was built for speed, simplicity, and mass production. It became the first truly successful supersonic fighter capable of flying at Mach 2. More than 11,000 MiG-21 were built. Over 60 nations flew it. No fighter jet has served more air forces. India inducted MiG-21 in 1963. For decades, it formed the backbone of the Indian Air Force. From the 1971 war to the later conflicts, the MiG-21 proved itself in combat. As decades passed, the age became its greatest enemy. Metal fatigue, outdated systems, and the intense usage increased risk. Over 200 aircraft and more than 170 pilots were lost. The nickname Flying Coffin was born not from design but from time. Upgrades like the MiG-21 Bison extended its life but could not defeat age. As newer aircraft take over, the MiG-21 steps down. Its duty is complete. The MiG-21 was not a failure, it was a legend that stayed too long and served till the very end. For knowing more about crime, mystery and history, please subscribe to my channel Lost in Times.